Hello world, my name is Muhammad Hisham and let's get right into my project's idea, which is a common and personal problem at Misr International University, that attendance data gathering for technical sessions at our university, including my club, MSP Tech Club, was time consuming and error prone. Let's hop right into VS Code and run my project. I developed this tool as a solution that automates the process by taking a title as an input, which we'll name MSP Technical Session, also accepting CSV files with certain column headers, and I already have sample datasets, so we selected this one. It also validates and normalizes this data, and lastly exports in either a Word or PDF document format. So let's test out the Word document format. And let's open the file location and view our lovely sheet. Here is our title, here is our validated and normalized data, and here is our invalid data with a validation issues log for whatever that problem was in whichever data field in the row. So let's close this bad boy. Let's get back into VS Code. Let's close the GUI. Not only are we presented with that lovely GUI, but the program is also accompanied by edge cases and extensive tests. So let's run them by running pytests and the tests folder. And here we are. Let it run, and here are 25 test cases have passed. And for the most important part, not only is it a Python program, but is rather published as a PyPI package and clearly documented on Read the Docs. But that was for the developers. What about non-developers? So let's go into our installer and let's go and reveal it in the File Explorer. And we are presented with a setup wizard for non-developers, which is a professional setup wizard that won't take no longer than 30 seconds. I'd like to thank Professor David Millen for the quality of this course and for providing us with the tools and the mindset to be able to solve a real world problem. Thank you so much, and this was CS50.